Welcome back. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, it's my gratitude, my appreciation, my saying thank you video. This is what I titled this video. Also, this video is sponsored by Madam Glam. I've worked with them before, and now I have some other shade to present to you. Madam Glam is a nail polish company. They have various styles of various colors of nail polishes on their website. In fact, they have one that they just released that I feel like you all might be interested in it. I'll put the picture somewhere around here for you to see. Their nail polishes are high quality and they have a lot of popping colors, and they have neutral colors which are kind of preferable for this kind of weather that we're into, which is winter, when we want to go with the cool tone colors of nail polishes. Those are the kind of nail polish color that I have for you to present to you today.
Do you believe in love? How crazy.
Before moving on to this video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this video. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into this video. I've done unboxing before on this channel, so in order for me not to prolong the video, I started to do some stuff off the camera so as not to prolong the video. I will leave the link to this company in my description box, just in case if you're interested in patronizing them. Also, I'll put other new products, like I said, that they have now. I'll put them on the screen for you ladies to see. Alright, this is how the package came in. It's Madam Glam. Like I mentioned earlier, I've featured them before, so this is how it came in. And the colors I have in there, I have 4 colors in all right there. Alright, and just like I mentioned, I didn't want to prolong the video. In the other video that I did, they already sent me their mini UV LED lamp, which I already own this at home, because you're going to need that to dry your nail polishes, because these are gel polishes. Alright, so you're going to need that. So I've gone ahead and did my DIY as usual. I have these nails at home, so I decided to glue them on this nail file just to let you see what the colors are looking like. And I'm going to go ahead and mention the name of each. This is not a tutorial, don't forget, so it doesn't look perfect. It's just for me to feature the colors for you and also to mention the name as I continue to show you. The first one is called the Smelly Cat, which is this particular one. It looks like white. I know it looked like super white because of the lighting in here, but it's really nice. These colors are going to be so perfect for the weather that we're into right now, which is winter time. So like I mentioned, the first one is called a Smelly Cat. It's really beautiful and it's pigmented, really pigmented. All the colors, they are pigmented. Then I went ahead and swatch this other one, which you're looking at in the middle right here. It's the brown one, and that one is called I Am Chandelier, so which is this one. This is Chandelier right here. Alright, they are really pigmented, like I mentioned. Then I went ahead and swatched the other one, which is called Pivot, which is the third one right here. It's the Pivot, which is the one right here. And the last one that I swatched is called I Am Fine, because they prolong the I before the N and NE. So that says I am fine. That's what I believe the way to pronounce it, which is the last one. So those are the colors that I received this time around from Madam Glam. Thank you so much for the collaboration. I appreciate you for believing in me and trusting me, even though I am not a nail technician. Thank you so much of your time. I'm going to go ahead and say thank you all to every companies that worked with me in the past. Thank you all so much. I appreciate you all. I cannot start mentioning the name of companies because it's going to make this video to be super long. So as I continue to talk about what I have again to share with you all, each post that I receive, it was a surprise gift which I wasn't expecting. All right, and I don't want to prolong the video too much, but as I continue to say thank you to every of my subscribers, the ones that have been with me from day one up until this time, the ones that just joined yesterday, I thank you all so much. I thank you because without you I cannot be here. Let's be honest, without you there's no company that will see me out there and reach out to me, because when I have subscribers like you that are watching my video, you give me views and you give me hope to look forward to producing another wonderful, amazing videos for you all. And I thank you all so much for believing in me when it comes to my reviews. Thank you all so much for believing in me when it comes to my styling and videos, because I do see your comments. They mean the world to me. Thank you all so much. All the companies that have worked with me in the past, I appreciate you all, and I'll put their names on the screen. That's my intention. So let's go ahead and open this. So this first came in late November. I wasn't expecting this, so when I saw it on my freezer I was like, oh, I did not order anything recently from Macy's. Look at that, it came from Macy's. I was like, who would have done this? So my hubby was in the kitchen and he was like, it's the one, and I know it was just teasing me, because I know that for him to surprise me, he can't really surprise, because I will know somewhere along the line he can't keep it to himself. He's just eventually going to tell me. So I was like, that should be, it's not you, you know. I kept saying that. So I went ahead and thought about it. I have two friends that I was thinking that maybe it might be one of them. So I called the first one, she didn't pick, and I decided to call the second one. And when I picked it, she was like, what are you talking about? She said, just go ahead and open the box. I said, okay, I'll go ahead and open it. I opened it. So when I opened it, she said, what's inside? I said, a Coach purse. Then she said, happy early Christmas gift. So she was the one that sent it to me. This particular friend of mine became a sister. We met on Instagram. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, on Instagram. We don't know anybody from Adam. We met, we clicked, and we became friends since the day one I met her on my Instagram. We met physically in Vegas. She came to see me in Vegas because she lives in California. If you're watching this video, you know who you are, and I want to use this time to say thank you so much, sis, for this wonderful gift. I didn't expect this coming and this coming, but you blessed me with this. May God bless you double folds back in Jesus' name. So I'm going to go ahead and you could carry it as crossbody. Also, you could carry it like this. You are going to be seeing me in any of video that I'm going to be doing by the grace of God this year, where I'm going to be styling with this purse. I just wanted to show you this, to unbox it with you, also to appreciate my sister that sent it to me. I can't just keep, like, I don't even know what to say. I cannot keep mentioning names, because if I start mentioning names, I'm going to miss out a lot of people, and I don't want to do that, because you all are important to me. You all made this journey so easy for me. You all are my supporters. You are my friends. You are my family on this YouTube. So I'm not going to mention names, but I am going to say I appreciate all of your comments, your likes, and your sharing of my videos. And for the companies that I've worked for, I want to say thank you so much, because without your products, sometimes I might be thinking of what am I gonna, I might be thinking of contents that it might be a little bit difficult. I'll come up with something because I'm a content creator. Yes, I'll come up with something, but your products has been a help for me, because I don't have to brainstorm a lot for content, because I received a product from new companies and I was able to review them and create a content from it. So I want to use this opportunity to say thank you all so much for believing in me, even though my channel is not that billions and billion subscribers. Yes, and for the subscribers that I have, I'm so much appreciative. I'm so much grateful. Thank you all so much. I appreciate those that have been there from day one that I opened up this channel, and those that joined just yesterday, those that have been there for me every other time. I appreciate you all. You all are great. You all are amazing. I don't even know what to say. All I just want to say is thank you. Thank you and thank you, and I wish you all a wonderful and a prosperous new year in Jesus' name. May the good Lord bless you as an individual or also as a company. Thank you all so much, and may the Lord be with you. Thank you all. Thank you so much for watching this video as well, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.